Welcome to Health Times 6, Unit 10, Bodyworks. Tennis elbow not only affects tennis players. Carpenters suffer in both elbow and wrist from using tools like hammers and screwdrivers. Arthritis is an inflammation of the joint caused by infection, injury, or the wear and tear of everyday life, especially in overweight people. Arthritis can affect any of our joints, but is most common in the big hip and knee joints that bear most of our weight. Inflammation makes the joint hot, red, swollen, painful, and difficult to move. The same are the symptoms of inflammation anywhere in the body. If caused by infection, there may also be a fever. Rheumatism is any disorder that causes aches and pains in the muscles and joints. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic, lifelong disease that often affects fingers and wrist joints, making them permanently deformed. It can also cause problems in other joints and organs such as eyes, heart, lungs, and kidneys. In an accident, a bone may receive a blow or fall with such force that it breaks or fractures. Fracture, bleeding, callus, healed fracture. At the site of a fracture, there is bleeding into the crack of the bone and into the soft tissue around it, causing a painful swelling, which in a few weeks turns into a callus. A callus on a bone is like the scab on a cut on the skin. Because bone can grow, shape, and reshape itself, it will heal and become as strong as it was before. But first, the broken bone must be reset into its right place and allowed to rest for up to 6 weeks, which is why the doctor stretches the broken bone before putting it in a cast. 1 to 2. Traction, pulling the broken bones apart. 3. Pushing them into place. A cast is a bandage that is dipped in water and wrapped around the broken arm or leg to cover the joint closest to the broken bone. When the cast dries, it turns hard and supports the bone while it is healing. Elastic cloth stockinette protects the skin. Wool roll padding covers bony lumps. The plaster is soaked and applied.